Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to install the Dynamic Island on this device. First of all, open the Play Store and here you need to search the application Dynamic Island, then you will get this one. Now tap on the option install, just wait for a few seconds, it is completed. Now tap on open. Now we need to configure this application. Okay, now we need to give some permissions. Tap on done, done. So here we need to give some permissions. Okay, notification access we need to enable for this application. At draw on screen, allow. Next, again tap on this one, tap on install the application dynamic spot, enable, allow. Next, completed, tap on done. So here you can see the option position. So here you can see that dynamic island you can see here. So you can adjust the horizontal position, vertical position, size horizontal, size vertical, and also you can reset this one. Okay, so here I am going to adjust the horizontal size horizontal, and I am going to adjust the size vertical also. Yeah, and we can adjust the position. Tap on this one, we can set to center or left, you can say. Okay, if you tap on this one, this will be like this one. So simply in this way we can install the dynamic island on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.